Welcome back to this channel. This video is about how to make text appear and disappear at different times on TikTok. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Let's now start by recording a short video here, and we are done. Now, after recording this video, I am going to add 3 pieces of text by using the text button at the bottom area of my screen. Then after this, I will start setting these pieces of text to appear and disappear at different times on my video using the set duration option available when you click the text. So I am going to click this first text, then select the set duration option, and this timing bar will appear at the bottom area of my screen. Now I will make this first text to appear at the start of my video by dragging and positioning this timing bar. Then I will do the same to this second text, but this time round make it appear at the middle of my video. And finally, I will perform the same process on this last text to make it appear at the end of my video. Then after all this is how my video will look like. So this is like everything for this video, and if you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.